Mami ma akwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TVGH so wofre me adwowa searching.
Minu asa fe no wa be pie video yi so anope ya share video no. Share video bo moda na share video no man koka ye andisi fo mpanimfo nsa. Nyankopɔ be share sa wa share video no. Na anope yi uhu se me ye video yi a enye asembia ne se me mun send video yi emma eye Sadik Musa ye bra Malik Basintale ni aid. Ene sen hwe kamia ye se ye ya do ye afuo no emunwa no enwaba ye mfa bi da hwe se ye nyina ye dede wo de hwe soro ha hwe account no enti Sadik Adam obi NS select NDC TikTokers anase wa kora ne ka wakoma se select NDC TikTokers ne pe bundle maya enti wo ka kire me say with all these numbers here that's what I say no 500 close to 50,000 followers no and close to 500,000 followers no enti wo kan NDC for TikTokers ya want me an kai me wo ka kire me say wo hu me video da me ka kire wo ye ka TikTokers no ne ye followers ni bia ye ko ka mo sika wonu tume na mo se mo no mo nkrofo anya kakra die no party ehun akatua no me se yanje no opposition o me se from nem ye se nka me ma chiriwe ya twam ohun aboje se fuafu me ma chiriwe ya twam na de ye keka ko ma hwe ya chiriwe yi buro nyane ade ade de se mfa me homindi na chiriwe ma hwe yi a me se mede ensuo ena ye chiriwe no me di ensuo ena be sa gu chiriwe no ensida me se ansa na me meka ma no atumu no Jese hwe me se fa kwa chichira abo ne hwa na yese no hwe NDC ntie ne ye ton kora ye nto tite ye a wokuma ase no na munim se de mo ye ne ya ye nhunu na ye ka se mo frɛ TikTokers mo reward TikTokers kora na mo akwa ko chinchira afa fankola nketenkete na afi no mo asisu ba ne na mo nkura se ne se omo na ye TikTok no de mo ye ne hu yo wo wia na o sa ba be ka se wo ye kramudi Sadik Musa me ne wo yate enkrofo na mo na omo ye mu deal mo ye na fofo na asemu ya meka no ye TikTok na se wo se wo de wo nte ase ha fa be wo so na me no mienu media yi so no and this for ebe ehu fi because me nkama no ntumu emfa honhon koma daka menem because da bia e ka mo se yenka no 2 years ne ye ko no party akatua ne ye be ye campaign na mo baba betu ye ken sa this ni bi be frɛ wa e assemblyman bi obi o corporate assemblyman ya na obi a wo kwa corporate corporate ayi post bi o se G5 ayi and this in the fire band neka come and say mama yanya ne sa wo adwuma na yesi enya aka yenye so akatua efiri na ekome se me nkama no ntam da fe mi se media no so wo hu ano odin na ye de bo MPP fo na achi no me se e kama ese NDC fo mpani fo akata mo ye very very wicked mo ye bonia fo too much enti wo ka che ka NDC fo papa o mo wo aya ka mo ba nkama yi TikTokers a NDC TikTok mo yi empani aboso mi bia kra wo ne ye di ehia e tire se mo nko ka se ni se na ekọ na se ni se ni e ba ba ne ka because na TikTok no ateki ba bia se ni TV station no governor ma ye video mi ye video 8 months ansa na me benya ho asem Samuti me ne aboso market video no 8 months ansa na me benya kwaze te wo ka kire me say video na me ya 1000 years video no da honom no ene wo ko TV station na ko kasa na wo sore na asem na atwam no wo ka kire say they are doing better than me se mo se sadia enkofo na ka kire say yenka ya nuntum no se sa enkofo no so abre o ensuo ta aponchani a woje wo me nkama nuntum nu yan kama nuntum bro nyan kama nuntum achiriwan sam be kama nuntum se abre ye bebegu achiriwa wo video me se mo fan tag Malik Basintale bu edi no mu youth no pa ye pe mo asem a ye pese nkada ku me ba be mampani no di mu se ye de ye abodam yanko suku nti no da bia de anim ene ye tibe kwa akwaje akyerema na MPP before my boy na no yi a ye ti kokosu me nam kuma se kora na ma yi bom ntuturu enso nya mama na ti kokosu e di ho wi ase na ti kokosu mu ni mu bra ye bre wo kuma se bra ye bre na afi papa ba na mo makwa akofo adi ensi da me ka mo share video wi man ko ka Malik Basintale nenko kan the aid no enka his excellency John Dramani Mahama video no enkonko ka NDC fo mpanifo general se edun katia se mo de mo se mo ya bonefo a yeso ye be kire mo se ye tiri bom enti ya tu ye ho asi honom se ye yi anim akasa amade ho NDC a ye ti kuma sim fimfim ha ye ne enjata na akire be na edi asi se video no like part 3 be
se kai na me kan mo ti ase they go. And when they come to party, if you record the number of people going and buying, you'll be like, hey, maybe I go see. It's me in dream, you can't go join the political party, BKK. Your research, no who said, I dare me joining a year, and I said, because in the long run, no, They'll be for a bot. They'll use you as an offering. Party be for Ghana. Mobile power. For bike. Ghanaians say bike. Not ordinary Ghanaians say bike. Not some leaders no more pointing so bike. That bike na make no what I say. Bike. Them they go. So do your research. Know that so this is for liberation. This is the ideology, the foundation. Some of the political parties, their foundation, it was built on a very dangerous, wrong, scary foundation. Somebody ma. Emojo mo re, omo shre. Bebre. So ko join me abon se. You're not even comfortable. Ustro. So be careful. Do your research. And men could join in BBR because what? And be soaking yourself bompire. Talk or join here. Bompire and don't do too much, but do your responsibilities as a leader. Do what you have to do. But men could hear too much. Cause look you too much. Henny the besi. Timen could join you be now for 4 now so DH now could stand the MP now could hear constitutional chairman. Mr. Constitutional chairman. Okay, ye constituency chairman. What could hear a secretary? Then. No. You need to do your research before you join some political parties. Because their foundation on my back of them no it mean dream me can go joining kakra obedi ntina wo dream ka na ko join kakra obedi dwen ho ansa na wa join me za okwa yeah the wo be ko that ya me kan what you see mushe mu see why that's it.
Kwame de America no jase.
Ethiopia.
Nana bada one team might have said
me call ye no anko ye utie me call ye na anye den anko ye. Okay, all right, tell me ba inti no metna se na maye adwuma and I say I want to take my time and then think of what I want to do next. Me the no me a ubedi metine the American no na they are obetsna ha one more brake kan kwase asem edefa Dr. Baumia any MPP ho no e ka say MPP nya ade na NDC e better than MPP no or say by force so amen kwate me ho. Hello Sterling who bibi kan. Okay, you pepacho you mate na odiobedi mi mechi ni say okote party ama me by force the base yate a party chale Ghana for me na ubedi mechi no me ya baby nkoka say me kote party o say 2x4 adwene na we bedi mechi because o dey say ye be dawa lotion amount ambemu no o dey kwa kote party. Let me tell you people this, and nobody should control me on this. Some of the Kennedy Japan supporters, some of the Brian Champion supporters, some of the Educhum supporters, Cabinet Japan, anyone who went for the election supporters, Amudin kwasi play, enti ana mo ho nya kono bi no. Se moya mo ho sa mo ba be ye mo ho enemy of the state, enemy of progress here. This time around, yen fan chemo. Ye begi doctor campaign ni de sin China, ya man penifo na omo ye ina koye. Na ye no, ya seda, e de kobre, e de aboyeti. Ene mo atena nkwase api so. E di nkwase asem we bi nsi Ghana da. Se mo obobo oboda mo a, ye koto waba. abato no yato awie di owini ye wini so far Brian Champo megina baby anka se ote ne ho so far Kennedy Japan enyina baby aso ote ne ho enti abaifo nkurasefo na wo maame no nim nyansa enti no wo mama abodamfo ma na ne wo nyenyem ye edi sikadie ne nkwase asem abefra MPP mu a wo person nkwase asem ba MPP no you are warned. You are very warned. This time we will not tolerate the stupidness. It's not going to happen. May catch them playing. Mo amujina asa Kennedy Japan konkwatini sabi mo no sabi mujina ho ye den. Mo kwati party ne. Aden na mo ankasa mo konkwati party ne. But mo jimi mo ya baifo. At the papa ekoso mo mpenti no, yemfa distraction. Emfa mrem. Until Kennedy Japan does a press conference to tell the whole world, says he say MPP no on kahubio na wakoti the party no. You guys are irrelevant trash. Moye trash. Especially when I'm TikTok and social media no. Moye trash. Moye wuda. Moye got musio. Those bloggers, 2x4 bloggers, no mukra 70 viewers, 50 viewers for no. Muntie ni ye pa. Until Kennedy Japan himself tells you so kwatino no. Monfa mani wuo. Mo beye ene mo nkwase etire esi mo nkwase akonso enkodi mo maame no aduane. No chance for imbecility this time around. Sen kura sesem no ye meso so this time around kura. Na o modam a we be di me machi. Na najwa we be di machi. I don't even care if Kennedy Japan is behind them. I don't give a fuck. Man, no, what I care is that Kennedy Japan hasn't come out to say anything. So for me, he has not come out to say it. Until Kennedy comes out to say it and now he's no longer, then we treat him like Alan. But at a stance, same crasa for na mudi di nechi la sulala for na mudi nechi 50 viewers, 19 viewers for na ya na mudimino. This time, be very careful. People think it's a joke. Some obey ye na empire the papa. And untima betina bru chiriman mobra. Matri taxi 83 years, 33 years. I'll just say, can you Japan baby belima factory hoa? And I will tax in a Uchin Americano, Ubenya Huskano, Sankura Semno. We are not gonna tolerate it no more. Mo amokwaje parian for ye to talk cast mamo, phobia member kwasiye. This time I remember Jimmy. Now, crowd ye say, Yakaso Kolo, a buanka, phobia member, number one. Number one, who we are see our buy, when you go on far and one farm wow. Oh, nyefe. Uti nyefe. Osia pro, wenumu bon. Height so I am maubi. Body so I am maubi. Kasa so I de cabro for so I am maubi. Reading your name, Krana, who nimu ye. Baumia, Baumia. Ne kramayo wo fie kura ho won faso chen wo phobia member Samira Baumia sebio mprediasa waye na ayi awie kura ko yi akone no de oyi akone no kura ho won faso chen wo abu bi tese phobia member na wo sa boy we dia mebo wo phobia member mebo last time we me we feed that any opportunity be a wo phobia member da ye be biem mebo se me yemu ba me kan bibia wo sa boy no mebo. People think it's a joke. When your party politics so there be, some boy need you make no physical, make no physical. Now make no man up on with him. I promise. I bet you come over. So I'll be with you. Me poor boy, me push phobia, me phobia. Ebi an New York or no man ye be invite me here. And New York for ye be invite me the me bawa.